Hi all, today I'll be showing you a little bit about our newly released elastic straps. The straps come in 5 different lengths, ranging in sizes from extra small to extra long, and I'll be showing you a size guide so you can find the correct strap for you. The straps are available in a 20mm lug width, which you can wear with an Omega watch, a Rolex, a Moon swatch, or anything else with a 20mm lug width. And for the 22mm lug width, you can wear it with a Tudor watch, a Panerai watch, a Breitling, or any other watch with a 22mm lug width. The elastic straps are available in 9 different variations: black with a white stripe, khaki with a white stripe, gray with an orange stripe, blue with a white stripe, black with a blue stripe, blue with a red stripe, olive, bond, which is black with a double gray stripe, and black with a red stripe. We'll be releasing more colors soon. So I paired my Moon with the gray elastic strap with an orange stripe, and I love it because it matches the case of the watch, and I'm wearing a size extra small. So as you can see, the strap has some flexibility to it, and there's no buckle, and you just slide it over your wrist to take it on and off. So I hope that this was able to help you find the right size strap for your wrist and that you enjoy it with whatever watch you choose to pair with.